Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring essential prerequisites. Flipper Zero with compatible firmware and the Wi-Fi Marauder module installed, charged above 50%. Next, insert an SD card containing payloads and the module files. You need a USB-C cable for updates. Once done, open the Wi-Fi Marauder interface on the Flipper, scan for nearby SSIDs, and note the target's channel and signal strength. Because accurate channel locking speeds capture and reduces interference, make sure you have authorization to test first. You now move into the core execution. Start an active scan and lock the channel for the chosen SSID to maximize packet capture. While scanning, collect probe requests and beacon frames. These reveal BS-SID and client activity. If you need to force reconnections, use deauthentication or beacon injection with conservative rates and short durations so you avoid collateral disruption. Save captures to the SD card, check file sizes and timestamps, and keep notes on which method produced the most useful data. Finish by exporting capture files to a computer for deeper analysis using Wireshark or AirCrack. Look for handshakes, EPAL frames, and client activity. Once done, verify results and restore the Flipper's settings to default so passive scans resume. Document your findings and retain only authorized data. If you find zero captures, recheck the channel lock, move the antenna or device, and confirm firmware matches. Updating the module often fixes silent failures. Above all, follow legal and ethical rules.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.